Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Well, the first Q&A session was out long time back, जहाँ पर मैंने Instagram के सारे बच्चों के questions के answer दिए थे. Now this is another Q&A. A lot of questions have been answered in this long video of Q&A series out here. All I can say is go down to the discussion box. There are a lot of questions mentioned over there. Just see which question you are interested in. Click on the timeline and just find out the answer. So what are we waiting for? Let's just start with the Q&A. Bang on, Jai Mata Di. So guys, the first question comes from _Mayur_05_. The question is, sir, things to do in waiting period. Well, Mayur, this is a very, very good question. And first thing is, start looking for a job. So when it comes to waiting period, guys, please don't waste your time on Instagram, on YouTube, on doing unnecessary things. Rather start getting up early in the morning, go for gym or exercise, start doing yoga. Not an easy task, but need to do. Take out some time for yourself. Start reading books which are really, really important. Work on your skill set. Start working on your communication skills. Start doing a job somewhere. Work on your communication skills. Work on your confidence building. Next question is from Vinayak Chavan 08. Sir, my English speaking is weak. So what can I do? Well, what are you thinking? Start speaking in English. Start thinking in English. Start reading in English. I know it is not easy. आज तक मेरी खुद की इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं हो पाई है भाई. But I know a few people, those who were really very adamant कि नहीं यार जिद पकड़ ली करना है, तो सोते हुए भी अंग्रेजी में सोचते थे, बोलते भी अंग्रेजी में थे, लोग उनका मजाक उड़ाते थे, बट दे डिड नॉट गिव अप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम Sharvanesh_Chavan. Sir, review on Seven Island Maritime and its company. Well, this is a good question. Seven Island is an Indian shipping company. Like any other shipping company, salary is less. They are paid in rupees. Employee treatment is average. What you get is faster promotions. So अगर एम है कि जिंदगी में फटाफट कैप्टन बनना है, चीफ एयर बनना है, और उसके बाद श्योर जॉब करनी है, समथिंग लाइक दैट, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन गो फॉर दिस कंपनी एंड विद अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान. बट अगर लगता है कि नहीं यार थोड़ा लंबा सेलिंग कर सकते हैं, देन ऑलवेज लुक फॉर बेटर ऑप्शंस. दिस इज ऑल आई कैन से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम Royal_Boy_8055_. Sir, after GP rating, it's possible to become an engineer. Yes, very soon a video is coming. You can watch this video out here where a fitter has become a third engineer. This is story, a true story of Mujibur Rahman Khan, an inspiring story of this fitter who wanted to become an engineer. Today he is a third engineer and he will definitely become a second engineer soon as well. Next question is from Raghav Malhotra PB0. What is the difference between XDF and MEGI engines? Well, Raghav, had it been a technical perspective, I would have definitely made a discussion on this. But this will definitely come in content maybe in someday on a dreamer package or visionary package or achiever package. And abhi right now it is over here. जिस दिन भी आ जाएगा I'll let you know so that then you can get access to the dreamer or visionary achiever package and learn. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question is from _Pranay_27_ and that is how to clear DNS interview in first attempt. Well, first of all, good IMU-CET rank is important. Good general knowledge is important. Good awareness around you is important. Good communication skills is important. Good technical knowledge is important, whether it is physics, chemistry, maths. Everything is important, guys. And most importantly, please watch those mock interviews on the channel of JMD Academy as well as on the channel of Merchant Navy Decoded of DNS aspirants. You will get to learn a lot. You will get how a mock interview is conducted, what all questions are asked, and then you can prepare accordingly. Next question is from 8025 Harsh Sharma. Sir, without IMU-CET rank, can we apply for FEB sponsorship? Well, beta, as of now, DG Shipping has given an approval, but the approval has still not come from IMU side. Until the time IMU does not give an approval, the chances of companies taking you guys is very, very difficult. So please be prepared, but please be prepared that IMU can surprise you anytime, and that is how we are preparing our students at JMD Academy. We believe maybe another 2 months, maybe someday, suddenly IMU will say, okay, now you guys can go ahead and apply for sponsorship without even IMU-CET rank. So please be prepared that when if at all it does not happen, at least you are prepared for the interview and the sponsorship, and then you can continue for the next 6 months for the sponsorship test. That is IMU-CET exam. ठीक है? Next question is from abulbasal.ghazi and that is, sir, I have SCCW certificate. How can I join Merchant Navy? Well, beta, you have already made up a mind to join Merchant Navy. Open CDC is one thing through which you can join, but preferably I wouldn't prefer this to other people who want to join GP rating. The best colleges for GP rating right now are TS Rahman, NUSI Goa. The best option is Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies, and very soon maybe 2 shipping companies are coming with their own GP rating colleges. आई होप दैट हैपन सून. बट ओपन CD की सी के साथ इफ़ यू आप प्लान कर रहे हो अगर मर्चेंट नेवी ज्वाइन करना, आगे चल के ज़िंदगी बहुत दिक्कत वाली होने वाली है. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी ईजी. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई एंड अवॉइड. Next question is from dani.yy.el. After clearing class 4 per year, how many months I can sail? Beta, you can sail as many months you want. एक टाइम था when I was sailing for 11 months in a year. आज की डेट में I sail for very less time, right? Okay. Next question is from seafarer_DJ. Sir, how should be the character of Indian cadet on board? One thing is taking initiative. मतलब कोई भी चीज़ आए तो नहीं है भाई यार ये तो मेरा काम ही नहीं है. पेंटिंग, हाँ ये तो मेरे से नहीं होगी. झाड़ू पोछा ये मेरा काम नहीं है यार. आई एम नॉट मेड फॉर दीज थिंग्स. आई एम मेड फॉर बिगर स्टफ्स. इट विल नेवर वर्क दैट वे. बी द हार्डेस्ट वर्किंग पर्सन ऑन बोर्ड शिप. वर्क विथ स्माइल ऑलवेज. कोई 12 घंटे कराए, 14 घंटे कराए, 16 घंटे कराए, हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि मेहनत से कभी नहीं मरोगे. लेकिन जब कभी भी मेंटल स्ट्रेस होगा तब आपकी दिक्कत शुरू होती है. और मेंटल स्ट्रेस तब होता है जब जहाज पे गालियाँ पड़ती हैं, आपको काम नहीं आता है, लोग बोलते हैं भाई कहाँ से गधा आ गया. सो डोंट लेट दैट हैपन. कोई बोले कि गधा आगे से काम नहीं, बट ये बोले कि यार ये बहुत मेहनती गधा है, आज ये गधा है लेकिन आगे चल के घोड़ा बनेगा ही बनेगा. सो बस ये एटीट्यूड चाहिए, आप जिंदगी में ज़रूर कामयाब बनोगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम Rahul_Yadav_UK06. सर कैन अ प्रेजेंट 12th स्टूडेंट फिल IMUCT फॉर्म और नॉट? नो, you cannot fill, but yes, the moment you give your 12th exams, so in the June you can give your IMUCT exam, you can apply, and if that till that time your result has not come, you can write 12th appearing, no worries with that, but not when you are already in class 12th. Okay, next question is from Harshubale_05. Sir, I got selected for GME but want to clear concepts from basic. Which package should I buy? See, अगर आप basic की बात करें, it is always the dreamer package first, but I would suggest go for the combo package right now, क्योंकि आगे चल के आपको विजनरी लेना ही लेना है. एंड टुडे वेदर यू आर अ GME एस्पिरेंट और अ GME गाय, विजनरी पैकेज हैज बिकम अ मस्ट along with ड्रीमर पैकेज, because the combination is a deadly combination right now. So go for the combo package, start making notes, don't miss even a single video, and you will see results happening very soon. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di. Next question is from a boy called P_RA_N_SH_U, that is Pranshu. Sir, I am currently pursuing my BTech from DMET and I am in 3rd sem. Important tips. Important tip is, पहली बात तो you run a college from where I have also come. Please keep working on your overall extracurricular activities. Debates में पार्ट लेना, हिंदी पखवाड़ा में पार्ट लेना, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी में टेम्पेस्ट में पार्ट लेना, स्पोर्ट्स में किसी ना किसी चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट जरूर करना. आई एम टेलिंग यू वन मोर एडवाइस. If you trust that I'm doing a fabulous job, or if you trust me, go for the combo package right away. It will help you. That is, it contains dreamer plus visionary package. With this video, I want to tell everybody out there, the best investment that you can make is not on your treats with your friends, not on your expensive t-shirts or shoes, not on sports activities or something like that. The best investment that you can make is in your career yourself. So your career starts with investing on reading good books, on packages like dreamer package, visionary package, achiever package. Don't think twice. It will definitely be helpful. And most importantly, when you pay, you know कि अरे मैंने पैसे डाले यार, मुझे तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा यार, पैसे बर्बाद हो जाएंगे, तब तुम पढ़ते हो. फोकट की चीज कभी काम नहीं करती है. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम Rider_Talha_Sayyed, and that is, sir, if a chief engineer was abusing you and harassing you, what to do? Yeah, I have been harassed even as a 4th engineer first contract, where my chief engineer used to call me. Yes, he was a 65-year-old guy. I'm coming up with my live series very soon, where I'll be talking about all those things that I've gone through, and this video is going to be there. So leave alone 5th engineer, which was a turning point of my career, where I was being harassed, where I was being demolished, shattered, my confidence was into jitters, abused, everything. But that time taught me a lot. Pray to God that in your first ship you find someone who is really hard at you, because those troublesome struggles make you strong. And I'm not saying कि तुम bully हो जाओ या you don't stand up against them, but I'm telling you कि that tough time helps me even today when I'm on a tough ship, where I tell them, अरे प्रणीत, पहले जहाज पे इतना मुश्किल वक्त देखा जहाँ तू रोता था, तुझे इतनी गालियाँ पड़ती थी, आज तो चीफ इंजीनियर है यार, you should feel happy. तो मुझे फिर वो बुरा वक्त याद आता है, तो मुझे वक्त बहुत अच्छा लगता है, चाहे वो जितना मर्जी दिक्कत वाला हो. So all I want to say is, whenever these tough times comes, take them as a challenge. Find out flaws in yourself, keep working on them, And yes, if somebody you feel is harassing you, then stand up for yourself at times as well. Definitely it is important. But remember, पहले बहुत जरूरी फाइंड आउट करना है कि तुम्हारे में कहाँ प्रॉब्लम है, and have to improve that. Please do that, else you will always be in trouble. Don't blame others till the time you are correct 100%. Copy it? Thank you very much. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is the question is from Gayya GAYYA_3 TRII. The thing is, for BTech, can we buy Dreamer package or not? Buddy, you're already late. If you're a BTech marine engineering student, you should go for not just Dreamer package, but you should go for combo package plus the Achiever package, and then clear the test and get the priceless package as well. Become a smart engineer. It will help you with your 100% with your placement scenario. 110%. I assure you that. और वही नहीं, शिप पे जाओगे तो you will be respected, appreciated. That's what my aim is. So don't think twice, guys. This can be the best investment of a career. I vouch for it. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Sir, next question is from _Singh_03_. Sir, is there any sponsorship exam for ETO course? Yes, yeah. Are you sleeping? There are so many sponsorship tests happening from Anglo, even from Tolani Maritime Institute. Samudra पे हो रहे हैं. MSc करा रही है IMI Noida के through. You want to go through? Go read this blog which is given in the description box given below and even in the video section out here. Please read this blog. It will give you a complete scenario about what ETO sponsorship is, what kind of questions are asked, which all are the good colleges, everything. Please go through that. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question is from Tendale_83_ and that is, can a civil engineering student join merchant navy? Well, बेटा अगर आप civil engineering करके बैठे हो, एक वे तो यार go back again, start from DNS and join merchant navy. Well, but why 4 years you have done civil engineering? Do you think कि civil engineering में people have not reached the pinnacle of success and suddenly merchant navy comes in and says अरे merchant navy करेगा यार, उसमें कामयाब हो जाएगा? It does not work that way. Problem is not civil engineering, problem is not mechanical engineering, problem is you. सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में भी बहुत लोग बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं, अगर करना चाहे तो जिद होनी चाहिए. बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि यू शुड बी पैशनेट अबाउट समथिंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. आई वुड से कि एक जगह आती है जिद आती है, वो पैशन को भी ओवरकम कर जाती है. इफ यू आर हार्ड वर्किंग, इफ यू आर डेडिकेटेड, सक्सेस इज गोइंग टू कम नो मैटर विच एवर फील्ड यू आर. सो प्लीज, इफ यू आर अ बीटेक सिविल इंजीनियर, please make sure that those 4 years are counted. Go do wonders out there. Keep working hard, keep slogging, you will do wonders. So I won't suggest you to join merchant navy. Sorry. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question is from Sailor Satish. Is SSO course required for second engineer to do? Yes, Satish, SSO course, this is ship security officer course. It is required by a lot of shipping companies, and even at times when you are applying for advanced DC or something such documents, they ask for your SSO certificate. So please go for that course as well. And I'm very happy अगर कोई second engineer is asking this question to me. I hope Satish is a second engineer right now. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question is from Harshad_Prajapati.101. Which country is best for GP rating fresher students? भाई, for you it is not about country. तुम भूल जाओ, तुम हिंदुस्तानी हो. हिंदुस्तान में TS रहमान, नुसी गोवा, Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies. These are the top 3 colleges right now. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं सोचना है. And इसके अलावा 2 shipping companies very soon will be coming with their own GP rating colleges. उनको ज्वाइन करने की कोशिश करो. Otherwise, जय माता दी. Next question is from Marzook_93_. And this question is, current salary of a trainee ETO and ETO senior officer. Well, the salary of a trainee ETO right now is approximately $750. और ये मैं बात कर रहा हूँ say a company like Anglo Ocean. It may vary from $550 to $900. Different companies have different salaries. But just give an example. What is the salary of an senior electrical officer on board ship? Well, beta, I see a lot of people asking this question, sir, can an electrical officer become chief engineer? Because you feel कि electrical officer का job is very stagnant and you can maximum get a salary of $4,000, $5,000 a month. Then do watch a video of ETO Varun Chawla. He was with me when I was a third engineer. And he was telling that on Dynagas, that is gas carriers, an electrical officer is getting a salary of around $7,500 a month. That to round their salary 3 on 3 off, which makes it $15,000 a month, which is approximately same as that of a chief engineer of an oil tanker and 1.5 times that of a chief engineer on a bulk carrier. So if you are thinking that only if you become a chief engineer you will have growth, no. As an electrical officer you can grow as well, but you have to keep enhancing your skills, keep looking for challenges. Don't just be satisfied with one company. Suppose you're selling on a bulk carrier and throughout for the next 10 years you're selling on bulk carrier, then keep saying अबे यार मेरी तो नौकरी खराब है, अबे यार यहाँ सैलरी नहीं है. भाई, who stopped you from getting on tankers? Who stopped you from getting onto gas carriers? Who stopped you from getting onto cruise liners? Nobody. It was you yourself. So sky is the limit. You have to go ahead. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. The next question comes from Christian_the_grade 62. क्वेश्चन बड़ा वैलिड है. क्वेश्चन इज सर विच इज बेस्ट, IIT और मर्चेंट नेवी? वेल बेटा सी, दोनों एक एप्पल एक ऑरेंजेस हैं. मैंने IIT की तैयारी करी. मेरी IIT के अंदर 5484 रैंक थी IIT मेंस में. एट दैट टाइम इट यूज्ड टू बी फर्स्ट स्क्रीनिंग एंड देन मेंस. मेरा IIT में नहीं हुआ, बट मुझे अच्छी MNITs के अंदर मुझे अच्छी ब्रांचेस मिल रही थी थ्रू AIEEE एट दैट टाइम. But I went for marine engineering. Today, whatever I am is because of marine engineering. But it has worked for me. I do not know what will work for you. IITs में भी 100% प्लेसमेंट नहीं है. IIT से भी सारे सुंदर पिचाई नहीं बनते, और मर्चेंट नेवी में रह के भी आप जरूरी नहीं है कि आप कामयाब हो जाओ. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट वन थिंग. दूसरी चीज एक और, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने सोच लिया कि आप IITian बन जाओगे तो भाई आप 100% IITian बन ही जाओगे. बहुत हार्डवर्क है, बहुत अच्छा खासा कॉम्पिटिशन है, एंड यू नो अ लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस आर देयर. But in case of merchant navy, challenges before joining merchant navy are less because ज़्यादा low competition में नहीं है. But after joining merchant navy, hardships are more. मेहनत है, पसीना है, रगड़म पट्टी है, गालियाँ हैं, hardships हैं, and then you reach. But you will definitely reach. You will definitely become a chief engineer someday. You will definitely become a captain someday. After that, if you want, if your hunger is more, you can definitely go for shore job, and sky is the limit out there as well. You can earn a lot of money from merchant even, then go for executive MBA, MBAs from higher universities जहाँ से IITians भी जाते हैं करने के लिए. So I won't say कि don't go for IIT, or I won't say go for merchant navy. You have to look in what suits you best, right? It is very difficult from my end to say. I can tell you both the challenges. Go look for it. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question is from _Kiran_Mariner. And that question is, sir, can we switch from DP vessel to main fleet? जिन लोगों को नहीं पता, DP vessels are dynamic positioning vessels. एक टाइम था इन DP vessels के the salary used to be huge. Sadly today the oil production scenario has gone very down. The salaries have gone tremendously down. The manpower is reduced, and एक टाइम था from the main fleet people used to ship from DP vessels. Now people from DP vessels are looking forward to converting to main fleet. It is not going to be easy, but it is not difficult either. But only all I can say is persistency is the key. ढूंढते रहो. Go make some random calls to shipping companies. Go visit their offices. Send those cold emails. कुछ ना कुछ कहीं से जरूर निकलेगा. ठीक है, just keep doing that. Next question is from Asif_Mariner, and that is rating to officer after watch keeping. Well Asif, question बहुत अच्छा है तुम्हारा. GP रेटिंग से ऑफिसर बनना 1000 में से कोई एक बनता है. On my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded, अभी एक वीडियो आ रहा है of मुजीबर रहमान खान, who was a fitter with me when I was a 4th engineer. Today he's sailing as a 3rd engineer. An inspirational story. Please go through that story. Please watch that. Get inspired. And अपने अंदर वो हैबिट्स बनाओ जो कि तुम्हारे काम आए, so that you really जो आप करना चाहते हो आप वो अचीव कर पाओ. बट चैलेंज है और आसान नहीं है, आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. Next question is from Vedika.aaa. The question is, sir, after doing LASIK at the age of 18, am I eligible for DNS sponsorship? Yes, Vedika. At JMD Academy हमारे हर बैच में बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे निकलते हैं जिनकी eyesight is not 6/6. They go to an ophthalmologist, and ophthalmologist suggests them the required treatment. Maximum times it's LASIK surgery. They go to one of the finest doctors for LASIK surgery, and today they're happily sailing as merchant navy officers with no problems whatsoever. But again, saying that on YouTube, I want to say कि go to one of the finest doctors, because if it is not done properly, sometimes it can cause bad side effects. And understand one thing, ये eyes का मामला है. जय माता, ध्यान रखना. Next question is from A_S._Negi125, and that is Amit a good choice with MERS sponsorship? इस बार हमारी अकेडमी से JMD अकेडमी से हमने अपने बहुत सारे बच्चों को MERS की स्पॉन्सरशिप के लिए वेदर फॉर BSc एंड वन स्टूडेंट फॉर BTech भी भेजा है. सो अर्लियर वी वर वेरी स्केप्टिकल कि यार MERS में भेज रहे हैं, उनकी कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स रहती हैं, बट वी सीन दैट दोज रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर वेरी नॉमिनल, एंड इफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर रियली हार्ड वर्किंग डेडिकेटेड, देन स्काई इज द लिमिट. कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. एंड वी हैव टेकन फीडबैक्स ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल हु आर वर्किंग विद MERS राइट नाउ. So I won't say it's a bad choice, But if you can go for Synergy or Scorpio or Anglo or Tom Tankers, but again keep watching the waiting period, then I would say it would make a better choice, because एक जगह आप 3 साल दे रहे हो, एक जगह 1 साल के बाद आप निकल जा रहे हो. That's it. Next question is from marine_engine.manikant, and that question is, which company does pay highest in dry cargo ships? Well, Manikant, as per my knowledge, Stena Bulk is one good company which pays very good when it comes to bulk carriers. But I would still suggest, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम सेल नहीं करा है, try to go for tankers. As an engineer, it is very easy to shift from one type of ships to the other. Not easy for officers, but very easy for engineers. Next question is from _Vedant Nayak _ and that question is, how much is the salary differ from company to company? जमीन आसमान का difference हो सकता है. A C grade shipping company to a chief engineer might be paying around even $4,000-5,000 a month. Yes, go for Panama, CDC, go join those C grade shipping companies. $4,000 may be chief engineer selling. A B grade average shipping company, B plus shipping companies on a bulk carrier are paying around $10,000 a month. Good shipping companies are paying up to $12,000 a month on bulk carriers. Now, this is bulk carriers. Similar salaries will be on containers as well as on ro-ro vessels as well. But when we compare from bulk carrier to tanker, the salaries can go from, for a chief engineer, can go from $10,000 on an average ship in an average shipping company on a bulk carrier, to the same shipping company on a tanker. It can go up to $14,000, $15,000 a month. So the type of ships is also very important that you're sailing on, and type of shipping company is also very important that you're sailing on if it's a long-term prospect. Copied? Next question is from Sayyid Basha _Mashaki, MASHAKI, and that is HIMT best for GP rating course or not? Well, better for GP rating, the knowledge that I have gained, the survey that I have done, right now the best college is the Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies, then comes NUSI Goa, then comes TS Rahman. ये भी 3 colleges हैं, and इनसे भी better 2 colleges निकल के आ जाएंगे, because these shipping companies are opening their in colleges. It is in the process and it might happen very soon. Let's keep our fingers crossed, and the moment this happens, then those 2 shipping companies with the GP rating course will be on the top list. Copied? Let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, next is from Akhil Not Nice _ Sir, I have completed my 12th from NIOS. Can I get sponsorship from any companies for DNS? Well, beta, from JMD Academy, say from with NIOS board, students have joined MSC Shipping Company. They have joined SCI Shipping Company. Abhi recently, a NIOS student from JMD Academy has joined Tolani for BSc Nautical Science as well. And these videos are available on JMD Academy ka YouTube channel. Please go and watch that video as well, and you'll get a very, very good idea. So I would say ki if you, first of all, but this does not mean, just by giving those 3 examples, this does not mean that you should go for NIOS board. Prefer the state board, CBSE board, ICSE board, because then in that case, good shipping companies are also there to help you. Like you can go for Anglo, you can go for Synergy, you can go for Scorpio. But when you go for NIOS, then you have limited capabilities, limited availabilities of shipping companies or colleges, and then you have to perform really, really well. Otherwise, it's difficult. Copied? Next question is from Tiger Shark _ Mike. Sir, how is Eastern Pacific Shipping Company? If I'm not mistaken, Eastern Pacific Shipping Company is one of the companies which comes to Tulani Maritime Institute and takes a bulk of students for their ETO. I have heard it's a good shipping company. Abhi waiting period is also less. So this is the inputs that I have got from the people who are working in the company. Copied? Let's see. Baki aage, I do not know much. Okay. Next question is from Indian _Scaler _05, and that is IMUCT mandatory for becoming a marine engineer? Yes, if you want to go for BTech Marine Engineering, IMUCT is mandatory. That is after class 12. But there is another way as well. That is if you go for BTech Marine Engineering and then you do graduate Marine Engineering, then also you can become a marine engineer without going for IMUCT exam. So next question comes from _Molly Mock, and that is criteria for choosing a company for long term. See, अब इसमें what matters is कि what kind of needs you have. There are some of my friends who joined a very, very good shipping company in the initial phase of a career. Say they joined Shell, and वो Shell में ही sell करते रहे. Today they are second engineer. Very soon they will become chief engineer over there. So they joined a shipping company with a very good employee treatment and they continued there. It was all the year round salary, 4 months on ship, 3 months on land, then 4 months on ship, then 3 months on land. When they become second engineer, 3 months on ship, 3 months on land, with a very, very good salary, very good employment, everything. So, but that is what they chose and they are happy with it. When it came to me, my requirement was कि चलो मुझे long term करना, but I want promotions faster. So I joined a shipping company where I knew कि it's a good shipping company again. I did not join a very, very bad, poor shipping company where the employment is very bad, safety standards are very bad. वैसी company मैंने join नहीं करी. So I joined a good shipping company, but where I knew if I perform well and chances of faster promotions are there. So I went for faster promotions. And now when I became a chief engineer, there were 3 options. One was keep sailing. One was go for sure job like become a superintendent, go to Singapore, Hong Kong and settle over there, Dubai. Third was do something of my own. I chose to do something of mine. I started JMD Academy. I started Merchant Navy Decoded platform. But if you were choosing the first platform that was sailing for a long term, then in that case I might have switched over from the company that I'm sailing right now to an ownership company, Shell, Chevron, looking at a long term prospect कि भाई अब तो मुझे 50-55 साल तक की उम्र तक सेल ही करना है. So that would have been my prospect. But again, the criteria should be good safety standards, very good employee treatment, salaries on time. Last but not least, for me promotion aspects are important. I do not know how important they are for you. So मेरे लिए तो promotions mattered कि जल्दी जल्दी मिलेगा, जय माता दी, आगे बढ़ेंगे. ठीक है? Let's keep growing, keep learning. Next question is from Amal_J_Kaka Natu. And that is, sir, how to overcome fear? Well, beta, there is no such trick to overcome fear. The only way to overcome fear is to face them. Suppose you have a fear of public speaking, face it. I still remember the first time I was giving seminar as the director of JMD Academy in a class of 20 students. My legs were shivering like anything. I could feel the whole ground trembling. And there were only 20 students out there. But I overcame that fear. The best way to overcome fears is to face your fears. Next question is from lucky.lokesh.1485. Placement for Indian cadets will increase or decrease in future? Well, बेटा देखो future किसी ने नहीं देखा. So if I'll tell you about future is not right, but हाँ, मैं past के trend को देख के आपको बता सकता हूँ कि it has always been cyclic in every domain. Computer science, biotechnology, you talk about merchant navy, marine engineering, anything or whatsoever. आज की वजह से कंप्यूटर साइंस का बूम चल रहा है और मर्चेंट नेवी 2007 के बाद डिक्लाइन पे था. बट आपको शायद पता नहीं है 98 से लेकर 2007 तक देयर वाज अ बिग बूम इन मर्चेंट नेवी. बिग बूम. इवन इट वेंट ऑन टिल 2011. लेकिन 1980s में इट वाज अ बिग स्लम्प फॉर मर्चेंट नेवी. देयर वर पीपल हैविंग कैप्टन का सीओसी एंड सेलिंग एज थर्ड मेट्स. कैन यू इमेजिन दैट? सो इट हैज ऑलवेज बीन साइक्लिक. मर्चेंट नेवी का भी डाउनफॉल चल रहा है बट डेफिनेटली ऊपर उठ के आएगी. फ्रेट रेट्स आर गोइंग अप. बीच में भी कंटेनर्स में फ्रेट रेट्स आर वेरी हाई. अभी एलएनजी कैरियर्स के अंदर फ्रेट रेट्स आर वेरी हाई. शिपिंग वापस उठ के आएगी क्योंकि शिपिंग के बिना गुजारा नहीं है. तो डेफिनेटली डिमांड बढ़ेगी. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. बट अगेन इसके बाद मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा, सावधानी हटी दुर्घटना घटी. डोंट जॉइन अ मीडियोकर कॉलेज वेयर प्लेसमेंट्स आर लो एंड देन यू कीप स्ट्रगलिंग. अरे सर नौकरी नहीं लग रही, आपने तो बोला था इंडियन कैडेट बन जाओ. मैंने साथ में ये भी बोला था कि अच्छे कॉलेज से करके बनो और साथ में पढ़ाई भी करो. ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay. Next question is from the names_Rahul_KLR14. The question is, sir, Shri Chakra Maritime College is good or not? Well, beta, मैं यहाँ पर I am not here to talk about Shri Chakra College. I am not here to talk about any other college. I am here to talk about only those colleges that are recommended by Merchant Navy Decoded or the colleges that we believe in. The colleges जिन्होंने हमारा भरोसा जीता है. सो आज की डेट में जीपी रेटिंग के लिए 3 ही कॉलेजेस हैं जिन्होंने हमारा भरोसा जीता हुआ है. ग्रेट ईस्टर्न इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैरीटाइम स्टडीज, टीएस रहमान, न्यूसी गोवा. एंड अगेन मैं फिर से बोलता हूं, दो शिपिंग कंपनीज अपने कॉलेजेस लाएंगी जो कि जीपी रेटिंग के लिए होंगे. जब भी लेकर आएंगी वो 2 कॉलेजेस भी जुड़ जाएंगे साथ में, तो टोटल 5. बट इसके अलावा मैं फिलहाल अभी और कोई कॉलेज अपने एंड से रिकमेंड नहीं करता हूं. नेक्स्ट इज द क्वेश्चन इज what is JMD Academy? पहली बात तो भाई दिस इज नॉट एन अकेडमी, दिस इज अ फैमिली फॉर मी. 2017 में I started JMDI Academy with one of my very close friends, that is Praveen Gupta, and we started with NDA, but the question was, sir आप NDA क्यों कर रहे हो, आप तो merchant navy में हो, and that is how we started the merchant navy first. Then success kept happening, struggles kept happening, challenges kept happening. Entrepreneurship biggest challenge, हर दिन फायर होती है, हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ लगा रहता है, but with the only aim was to give the best possible results, not in terms of कि बच्चे ने IMUCT निकाल लिया या बच्चे ने sponsorship निकाल ली, not, but in terms of right attitude. Sometimes a student we find who is very good but attitude missing होता है, we take him back. पहले attitude सही तब आगे नहीं, so that these students when they go on ship they perform better, and shipping companies realize कि यार JMDI की प्रोडक्ट की बात अलग है, this is a different product altogether, and that is what we are aiming at. So we are aiming at developing leadership in these boys. We are aiming at developing a culture of learning, taking initiatives in these boys. We are aiming at developing good merchant navy officer capabilities in these boys. So that is what JMDI Academy is all about. Not just that, even in NDA we have shown result 108 and 150 ऑल इंडिया रैंक निकली है हमारी अकेडमी से. अभी अगेन वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद NDA, एंड आई होप माता रानी ने साथ दिया. इस बार भी 2 बच्चों ने NDA रिटर्न निकाला, एंड फ्रॉम अ वेरी स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज वी स्टार्टेड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, एंड वी बिलीव इस बार भी कुछ अच्छा रिजल्ट निकलेगा, बट अगेन विद अ सिंगल एम, दैट इज टू गिव गुड रिजल्ट्स इन and to win trust of people in whatever domain that we are working in. Presently, it is IMUCT plus sponsorship plus developing good merchant navy officers plus NDA. Right? Next question is, sir, how to switch company and ship type? Well, as an engineer, switching over from one type of ship to another type of ship is easy, especially in junior ranks. Say you are a 4th engineer or a 3rd engineer, it is easy. But once you become a 2nd engineer or a chief engineer, then it becomes difficult to switch over from a bulk carrier to a tanker, or from a tanker to a gas carrier, because then you have to go for advanced level DCE. For that you have to sail back minimum 3 months as a 3rd engineer and then become a 2nd, and then again that cycle starts. So if my suggestion as an engineer, if you want to shift over, the earlier the better. Maximum by 3rd engineer you should be able to shift over to the type of ships that you want to sail in and you see your future in. As a deck officer, the challenge is more. As a deck officer, much earlier than that, maybe first contract as 2nd mate, that is 3rd officer. Maximum by 2nd contract as 2nd mate, that is 3rd officer. You should be able. But as an officer, it is very difficult to shift from one type of ships to another. So if you are a bulk carrier, 3rd officer, and if you want to shift to tankers, it will be difficult initially. So try it in your cadetship only, you shift over. If not in cadetship, then maximum by first contract as 3rd officer, or maximum by 2nd officer. Don't delay it further, because the moment your rank increases, your chances of becoming, you're changing over to other domain, other ship type will become very, very less. Copied? Next is how to switch over to a different other shipping company. Very easy. Reach out to them, call them, send a CV, apply on jobships.com or cjob.net. It's very easy. सिंपल, जस्ट गो अहेड. ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. गाइज, ये इस तरह के सीरीज में निकालने की कोशिश करता रहूँगा और आप लोगों को रीच आउट करने की कोशिश करता रहूँगा. गिव योर बेस्ट शॉट, प्लीज कीप आस्किंग. रिमेंबर, वी आर अ वन फैमिली आउट हेयर हेल्पिंग ईच अदर आउट, एंड लेट्स ग्रो टुगेदर.